Hi guys, so in Godot update 4.5 we have built-in feature for preventing first-person clipping of your weapons and tools, and now I will show you how you can do that. So this is my player scene, and to show you this is game that I'm making. To show you, in my player scene I will add just mesh instance to simulate tool or weapon. So in this mesh instance I will add some mesh capsule, make it smaller, I will just make this my hand invisible, and now when I run the game you will see this ball is clipping. You see it's clipping, and now I will show you the Godot built-in feature for fixing clipping. Now I will click on this ball and on this mesh, and here I have materials of this ball, so I will make new material, and in this material, so this is, and you need to do this for every material of your weapon, of anything that you do not want to clip. But beware, this will sometimes offset your animations or position of your tools. And now in your material in transform you need to check this, use Z clip scale and use FOV override, so these two. And now I will test again. You see it did not fix the problem, and if this is the case for your tool you need to do this. So in your materials of your mesh of your tools you need to make this Z clip scale lower, this number lower, I don't know, 0.5. and now test it again. And you see it's fixed the clipping. So remember, in your player script, what is your mesh of your tools or weapons, you need to find that material. Maybe your material is here or is here, or you have custom made materials. You open that material, and in transform of your custom material you turn on Z clip scale and FOV override, and if that did not work you need to make this number lower, and that is everything. And if you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment and whatever you want.